Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Pista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound issues in Windows 10. Some people face the issues of speaker not working on their Windows 10 computer. There is many reasons for computer speaker not working problem. Windows 10 provided some solution to solve these issues. Let's learn how you can fix the sound issues on Windows 10 computer. Here we have provided the three options to solve these issues. The first option is system output. That means you have to check it out the system output. So you have to go to settings. Here you have to go to system. Here you have to click on the sound. Under the sound page you have to go to output section. Here you have to check it out your speaker output. You have to choose the right speaker. If not chosen properly, you have to change it. The second option is device manager. So you have to go to search the device manager and you have to find the sound, video and game controller device. Here you have to select the Realtek high definition audio. This is your default sound drivers. So you have to right click and update this driver. Then you have to click on the search automatically for the drivers. We'll be check it out online and update it if not updated properly. This will be solve the issues. Still your problem is not solved. You can download the driver from your motherboard website. Then you have to click on the browse my computer for the driver. Then you can choose from the downloaded exe. Then you can update it. This will be solve your sound issues. The third option is you have to troubleshoot the sound problem. So you have to go to taskbar. The taskbar you have to right click on the speaker icon. This will be shows the troubleshoot sound problem. You have to click on that. It will be automatically detect the problems. Then you have to select your speaker and click to next. This will be fixing the issues. Your sound problem will be solved. So in this three way you can fix the sound issues on Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.